everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a missile. Let's get started. So, first, find a flat space build, and then place an observer. Place observers like this, like temporary blocks to do this, and then break this. And then place a slime block here and here. Then pistons. And then place like 4 temporary blocks. And then an observer facing this way, with the dot facing that way. Oh, and by the way, these faces have to face that way. And you'll need a now place a sticky piston here. And place slime blocks and TNT here, here, and here. Place the TNT exactly as I do, as it probably won't work. Place 3 here, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now place a random block here and a block of redstone there. Now place TNT here, here, and here. And now to start it, you put TNT in there. And first I'm going to tell you how it works. So basically, it'll pretty much just crash into here, and then this piston will push this block, and then it'll stop moving, and then it'll just push the TNT blocks on top of this and under it and next to it, and then that'll make it explode. And it won't stop moving, and it won't explode until it hits a wall, until it hits a wall. So you place the TNT inside it, start moving, and it just won't stop until it hits something. So I'm just going to quickly build a wall here for it to smash into. Like that, see? And then, bam. Thanks for watching. Bye.